Hi guys, we received this thin little Wi-Fi security camera for indoors for viewing purposes. So I'm gonna take it out of the box. This is the camera. Gotta take this protective film out. Here it is. Okay, it's right there. You can secure it to the wall by placing it with this part. You place it like this and turn it and it will stay. It has the screws right here, which is nice. You know, you place it in a wall and you can securely watch your house from a distance. It has the energy cable, which is a micro USB, goes in here, and also the power adapter. Okay, so I'll plug it in and get it right here to work while I download the application and everything. Okay, you set up your account really quick, and then you get the confirmation that it's ready. Okay, now it's connected. We leave it there and wait.
Configuration complete. Please wait for online.
Now the camera is ready, and here in the cell phone we got many options. So let's start recording. Here is the camera, and here I have the application, and if I turn it, it will turn. Here is the cell phone that I'm using to control the camera, and here is my filming phone. Okay. You can actually hear what you're talking with your cell phone. I got my headphones connected, so I hear them in my ears. But it's quite nice. You can get out, and it has different options, like a motion detection, night vision. Right there is turn on. Let me go and turn off all the lights. That is how it looks with the night vision on. As you can see, I can clearly see myself here in the camera. I've got here my cell phone. Here it is, and it's quite nice. I'm gonna turn on everything back again, and they work perfect. I like it a lot. You can choose to notice when it detects something. And turn off the okay, and it's really nice. You can set it to be indoors or outdoors, and it has different functions that I quite like. To detect movement, and it has intelligent tracking. As you can see, it's tracking me. Okay. Up here, as you can see, I'm not moving it, and the camera is moving. So it's really nice, very nice to have one of these cameras in your house, and it's perfect for when you need it. You know, sometimes need to watch your kids, your pets. So it's a great option to have ready at your house because it's easy to install. You can listen through the camera. It has some very nice functions that I really like. So I will actually really recommend this camera. See ya.